Hey everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video guys, we will discuss what is overriding in Java, right? So if you remember in the polymorphism concept, I have given the example of overriding, right? So we have a e-commerce type. So this is I'm just going for high level. Okay, so if I will write, e-commerce is your superclass type and we are holding the subclass type of an object, and you are going to access different implementation. Okay, we'll try to implement by using the example, then I will tell you the definition of overriding. So will try to write one simple code to perform the overriding concept. So I'm going to create one class and the class name is Amazon app. Amazon app. Okay, so I will save this. Okay, it should. Okay, I am going to write Amazon app, or I will write ecom app. Okay, ecom app. Okay, so we'll save this. Now I will create one method. So method name is public void registration page. Okay, registration page. This is for registration page for. Okay, and this is your registration page. Okay, I'll do one thing. I will write this ecom app. Okay, that is fine. We'll try to implement dummy code, then we'll try to implement. So here I am going to create class ecom app, or I will write here this class. Okay, I'll do one thing guys. So I will write this class name. I don't want to confuse. So whatever the example I have given you, we will try to implement those example. I am writing here Amazon. Okay, I'm changing the class name. This is your Amazon and this is your Amazon. Okay, this is the Amazon and this is your Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart extend Amazon. Okay, understood, right? And I am writing, so this is your Amazon registration page. AMAZON. Okay, just avoid the spelling mistake. Now I'm going to implement Flipkart. Understood, right? So in the last example I have given the same in the last video I have given the same example and we are trying to implement this. So this will close here guys. So here it will close, and I did one more mistake. I will correct it, don't worry. And this is the subclass type, and you can see here Flipkart is your subclass type. So we need to save this class, not a Amazon class. Okay, so I need to save this class. I'm going to save this class. Okay, so first of all we will understand. Oh, I didn't implement that. Okay, one second guys, let me copy the same method but implementation is different. Okay, understood, right? The implementation is different. Okay, so now first of all we will define what is overriding. Overriding means, you can observe here, we will go for where it is. Okay, drawing. Okay, so you can see this class, this method and this method. So now first of all I'm going to define what is overriding. So overriding means redefining superclass non-static method in subclass. Method name is same. You can see the method name is same, but we are providing the different implementation. Implementation means, guys, we are not developing the actual implementation code, just we are printing some dummy value to for understanding purpose. Understood, right? If you will go for the Amazon registration page, then in development it will take a lot of time and all. Okay, so if you are interested, you can Google it. You will get this code for the registration page. But understand the concept, and basically this tutorial, uh, we are working on the to understand the Java concept in real time. If you will work on the Java project or any Selenium project, so you have a clear idea about of Java concept. Okay. So what is overriding? Redefining superclass non-static method in subclass with the same prototype, and return type also must be same. Okay, this concept is called method overriding. Accessibility modifier. Okay, so you can see public, so you can give the same accessibility modifier, but here we have a public, private, protected and default. Understand, right? So public is the highest one, so you can write the same accessibility modifier, but you cannot decrease this. Means here you cannot define the private. Understood, right? We will discuss accessibility modifier in the depth in the coming session, but as of now understand that it might be same, but it should not be decreased. Okay, you cannot decrease the accessibility modifier. Okay, so now I'm just going to erase this. So hope you are understanding that this what is the definition of overriding concept. Now how to access this? Let me close this, not required. How to access this, right? So I am going to create Amazon A equal to new Flipkart. Okay, understood, right? So guys, here if I will give you the example of interface, we can implement the actual implementation, but this is the dummy implementation. Now Amazon is your superclass type and we are holding the subclass type object, right? So if you will access a dot registration page, in this scenario which method will execute? Okay, if I will execute, you can see what happened. Which method will execute? It will execute Flipkart page type. So method overloading will execute what type of the object you are holding. Okay, so suppose I am going to create an object of a1 equal to new Amazon. Okay, and now a1 dot. Okay, so a1 dot I will call the registration page. Okay, understood, right? So simply what you have to remember, this will execute, which method will execute what types of the object you are holding. Now I am holding Amazon type, then if I will compile this code, able to compile, and you can see able to execute. Now you can see Amazon type is executed. One more important questions are there in the overloading. You cannot do like this. This is your subclass type. I'm writing f equal to new and Amazon. Okay, so we can store, this is your superclass type and we are storing the subclass type object, but in the subclass object we cannot store the superclass type. Okay, so f dot registration page. Okay, so if I will compile this code, you can see we are getting some error. Amazon cannot be converted to the Flipkart. So remember this point, this all the point, these are your interview question. If someone will ask you what is overriding concept, you can write this code and interviewer is very happy. What is overriding? Redefining superclass non-static method in subclass with the same method prototype, or you can say the method signature is called overriding. I have given the example of Amazon and Flipkart. Hope you are able to understand. Practice well. If someone will ask you overriding concept, you can explain whatever I have discussed, interviewer will be very happy. Okay, so okay guys, so that's it in this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get new video notification. See you in the next video. Bye bye.